guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tonia. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, you're also welcome. I love to see you guys every day. In today's video, I'm going to be making roasted plantain and fish. This recipe is inspired by a popular nighttime treat in Nigeria. Let's get right into the video. For this recipe, I'll be using sweet peppers, red, yellow and green. In a pan, add vegetable oil, add the sliced sweet peppers and onions. In this recipe, I'll be using tilapia fish. It is traditionally grilled using an outdoor grill or coal. However, considering this option is not available to everyone, an air fryer works just fine. In this recipe, I added black pepper, ginger, garlic, fish seasoning, stock cubes, and black peppercorn. Do not forget to wash your tilapia fish and prep it. As you can see, I've washed my fish, and at this point I put it inside an air fryer. I sprinkled a little salt, then I put the fried sauce into the tilapia fish so that it can absorb the taste. Do not forget to leave a little sauce for garnishing. I air fried the fish for about 15 minutes on one side and 15 minutes on the other side. So I air fried the fish for a total of 30 minutes. You can roast the tilapia fish a little longer if you want it to be dry. When I'm done with this process, I remove the tilapia fish from the air fryer and air fried the plantain. If you don't have a grill stand to roast your plantain, you can use an air fryer. It comes out just right. Anytime I want to have a feel of the nightlife in Nigeria, I make roasted plantain and roasted tilapia fish. You can have this roasted tilapia fish and roasted plantain with a bottle of chilled beer. This looks so yummy. I can't wait to have this in my belly. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple recipe. I'm going to be bringing you guys more delicious food videos. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit on the notification button where you'll be notified of more interesting and exciting content. Bye!